Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Usne. Guys, Usne, we all know Usne. Guys, Usne, some guy call his friend. Umuntu kababakhe. And we all know ukuthi Usne, guys, unomlomo. Guys, Usne is still gonna spill beans if ever a girl uneyimfihlo esingazazi thina as a country. Akabe ready, shem. Akabe ready, because we all know Usne. We all know Usne. I think it's this feel, guys. Siyamazi. And guys, imagine uyangena laphayana sebayani-introduce ku-wife number 5 and you see your friend and you're like, hey wena, are you dating my father? Like a whole father, like ubaba Samke. And you're my friend. And West, we all know Usamge 2K. And some people think Usamge came for money. Uzele mali, uzele Ife, maybe she wanted to be famous, and some people think they're just acting. Almost I can't be 52 and marry a 25-year-old. Like, ulingana nomntana yakho uSibe, where's umngani wakhe? And Umbilendle also said, I don't feel comfortable with a young person dating my father. Where's umngani kaSibe? Like, ngabe dala bambulala. And guys, I think ukuze bachuze uSamke Khwela omncane, it's because uMakhumalo akakwazi ukuphatha abantwana ngisho, and she's considering ukwenza i-IVF, and umusa umvumele ukuthi ayenze i-IVF. So it might be ukuthi uSamke uzothola abantwana bakhe. And uMacele recently said umusa is Musa still fertile because uhlulekile ukupractice uMangwabe noma yini. So is he still fertile? So umusa sho ukuthi wayithatha as a competition leyo nto leyo. Wathi yazi ngcono ngilande igazi elincane, igazi elisabile, a small child, and then I'm shadi. Mina yaziyo phela kanjani lento. You angazi, because uSamke kuyomela ahlele aziphethe kahle, guys. Kuyomela ahlele aziphethe kahle, because we all know Usne. One mistake akuthiwe Usne wanted to sleep at uSamke's house, uSamke angafuni. She will expose everything about Usamke if she knows her that. So Melenji, I be careful. Hey, yo, I can't wait for today's episode, guys. Because it's all clear. Vele looks like almost now just wants this girl for Umtwan. And to see to say fertile or not. Because lava boy is too bad, so I need ask. But it was so wrong for him to go and choose Umgan Gasni unless he didn't know ukuthi Ugel Umgan Gasni. But Ugel knew very well ukuthi Ubaba Gasni umusam selego. She knew very well. But yeah, guys, as I always say, as thank you guys for watching.